Hi. What are you doing? Today is April 23rd. Just one day before Kate's 9-month birthday. I thought I'd just show you a little bit of how she's playing in her room now. See if she'll move around. She usually moves all over her playroom. Hey Kate, can you say hey? She's looking at her hand. Hey! See what she... Oh, this is what she's been doing here for a few minutes. Pushing her toy into the wall and making it bang into the wall. See? Bang, bang, bang. She's got like a mean face or something going on. Gee, gee. What are you doing? Concentrating so hard on whatever it is she wants to do. We just got this toy today. It's a piggy bank. Here it goes. She's everywhere. All over the place. She's going to stand up on her bookcases right now. She's gotten so good at this. This is one of her favorite things to do, is pull all of her books out of her bookcase and throw them on the floor. Looks like she's having trouble reaching them. I might have pushed them back far enough she can't reach them. Hey Kate, can you say hey? She had been saying what sounds like hey all day today. You gonna make that noise again? Okay, can you say bye-bye? Oh. Hi! That's up close, huh? Can you give a kiss? Mwah! Can you give a kiss? Mwah! You're so silly. Okay.